I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious potato frittata. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 6 large eggs and 2 medium potatoes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Thinly slice your potatoes, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick, so they cook quickly and evenly. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, heat some olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Add your thinly sliced potatoes and cook them until they are tender and slightly golden brown. Then, stir in your chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing until they become fragrant and translucent. Don't forget to season your vegetables generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together your 6 large eggs with a splash of milk and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like parsley or chives. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the cooked potatoes and onions in your skillet. Gently shake the pan to ensure the eggs settle. Transfer the skillet to your preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the frittata is set. To finish, check your frittata for doneness. The center should be firm when gently pressed. Once baked, remove the skillet from the oven and let the frittata cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling period helps it set properly, making it easier to slice. Garnish with some fresh herbs like chives and serve your delicious potato frittata warm. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.